Power of story is multi-layered, and tapping into the power of story is something that we can do in all the different facets of life, whether it's the stories that we're telling outwardly or the stories we're telling inwardly. But really, stories are the way that we make sense of the world and our place in it. And I think that while we all know, it seems so obvious, right, that stories matter, when we go into some of the most important moments of our life, whether it's with our children or a big job interview or a huge meeting or presentation, we kind of put the stories on the back burner. And it's been my mission, I feel like my calling to help people continuously bring stories forward and see them as the thing that really connects people to other people.